Hello, burger enthusiasts! Today, join me in the flavorful journey of crafting the perfect homemade burgers. Get ready to elevate your burger game with these delicious recipes. Let's dive into the world of burger bliss. Step 1. Classic beef burger. Our burger adventure kicks off with the timeless classic, a juicy beef burger. For this, you'll need ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat, salt and pepper, brioche buns, your favorite burger toppings and condiments. Season the ground beef with salt and pepper, shape into patties, and grill to perfection. Toast the brioche buns, assemble with your preferred toppings and condiments, and savor the simplicity of a classic beef burger. Step 2. Gourmet turkey avocado burger. Let's lighten things up with a gourmet turkey avocado burger. For this, you'll need ground turkey, avocado, red onion, feta cheese, whole wheat buns, Dijon mustard. Mix ground turkey with diced red onion, shape into patties, and grill. Top with sliced avocado, crumbled feta cheese, and a dollop of Dijon mustard. This turkey burger is a fresh and flavorful alternative. Step 3. Spicy black bean veggie burger. For our vegetarian friends, let's create a spicy black bean veggie burger. For this, you'll need black beans, quinoa, red bell pepper, jalapenos, cumin and chili powder, burger buns, chipotle mayo, mashed black beans, mix with cooked quinoa, diced red bell pepper, jalapenos, cumin, and chili powder. Form into patties and grill. Assemble on burger buns with chipotle mayo for a zesty and satisfying veggie burger. Step 4. Caprese chicken burger. Let's embrace the flavors of Italy with a caprese chicken burger. For this, you'll need ground chicken, fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, basil leaves, balsamic glaze, ciabatta buns. Shape ground chicken into patties, grill, and top with fresh mozzarella, sliced tomatoes, and basil leaves. Drizzle with balsamic glaze and serve on ciabatta buns. This burger is a delicious twist on the classic caprese salad. Step 5. Smoky barbecue bacon burger. Let's add some smokiness and indulgence with a barbecue bacon burger. For this, you'll need ground beef, bacon, cheddar cheese, barbecue sauce, onion rings, pretzel buns. Grill ground beef patties, top with bacon, cheddar cheese, and a generous drizzle of barbecue sauce. Finish with crispy onion rings and sandwich between pretzel buns for a smoky and savory delight. Step 6. Teriyaki pineapple salmon burger. For a taste of the tropics, let's create a teriyaki pineapple salmon burger. For this, you'll need salmon fillets, teriyaki sauce, pineapple slices, red cabbage slaw, Hawaiian rolls. Marinate salmon in teriyaki sauce, grill, and assemble on Hawaiian rolls with pineapple slices and red cabbage slaw. This burger brings a perfect blend of sweet and savory flavors. Step 7. Dessert delight chocolate peanut butter burger. Let's cap off our burger feast with a sweet surprise, a chocolate peanut butter dessert burger. For this, you'll need chocolate buns or donuts, vanilla ice cream, peanut butter sauce, chocolate syrup, chopped nuts. Grill or warm chocolate buns, scoop vanilla ice cream onto each, drizzle with peanut butter sauce, chocolate syrup, and sprinkle with chopped nuts. This dessert burger is a delightful way to satisfy your sweet tooth. And there you have it, an ultimate spread of homemade burgers that cater to every craving. Whether you're in the mood for a classic beef burger, a gourmet turkey creation, or even a sweet dessert twist, these recipes offer a culinary journey through the world of burgers. Enjoy crafting and savoring each delicious bite. If you had a blast making burgers with me today, stay tuned for more mouthwatering recipes and culinary escapades. Until next time, may your grills be hot, your buns be toasty, and your burgers be packed with flavor.